What is meditation? Meditation is the practice of focusing your mind. It is not about magical thinking or opening your chakras. Meditation is a powerful modern tool, and its effectiveness is backed by science. Meditation changes your brain. It reduces cortisol levels, which is the stress hormone, improves sleep, and boosts creativity. By practicing regularly, you can focus better on tasks, relax more effectively, and make better decisions. Common beginner mistakes. Mistake number 1. I'm doing it wrong. Don't worry, your practice is personal to you. You can sit, lie down, or even walk. The key is to feel physically comfortable. Mistake number 2. I should see results immediately. Don't expect your life to change after one session. The real benefits come after weeks of regular practice. Mistake number 3. I need to calm my mind. Your thoughts may wander. That's perfectly normal. The important thing is to keep practicing, even if it feels like nothing is happening. Mistake number 4. I need to feel something extraordinary. You don't need to feel energy flow or aim for enlightenment. Mindfulness is simply about being present, noticing your breath, and tuning into your sensations. If sitting still isn't your thing, here are some alternatives. Mindful walking. Feel your feet touching the ground and focus on each step. Yoga or Tai Chi. These practices combine movement and mindfulness, helping you stay present. Drawing or creative activities. It is important to focus on the process, not on the result. Notice how the pencil moves across the paper or how paint blends on the canvas. Household tasks. Washing up or cooking can become mindful activities when you pay attention to the sensations, movements, and smells. Mindful breathing. Even 1 minute of focused breathing can be a mini meditation. Let's discuss in the comments. Do you meditate? What doubts or questions do you have? I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful, subscribe, and see you next time.